welcome back to my channel, my Patreon channel, YouTube channel, all my channels. I'm finally back after a long break, but yes, I'm back on track and ready to release a lot of new cool projects on my Patreon channel. And I'm here to share some of what are they gonna look like. So this is my first project, the dynamic glitch it's called, and I'll show you how it works, and we'll talk about a little bit. So I'm here and you can see an input image, the classic banana image from TouchDesigner, but as soon I get closer to the Kinect, but it might be also some other sensors or even media pipe, yeah, some glitches appear on the screen on the input image. So and when I get far from it, yeah, glitches disappear. So yeah, so the idea of this is to create an experience which is a fusion of art and technology, and this interactive installation transforms any image into a dynamic display of glitch art. As viewers approach, the glitches start to appear, and they disturb the image which was initially revealed in its true form. It's an immersive way to capture and engage audience attention, perfect for exhibitions, galleries, or digital art shows. The project is designed as a plug-and-play solution. Simply load the project into TouchDesigner, connect your Kinect, your media pipe, or something else, and it's ready to go. This project is ideal for interactive installations, educational spaces, or just personal art projects. Download this project and more on my Patreon, and join a community of creators exploring the boundaries of interactive art. See you there.